Okay. Okay. Next one is your treatment of the heart disease. Okay. There are two main lines of the treatment heart disease. That is your initially. First one is your initially means at the initial time a person can attempt to treat the heart condition using medications. So if the medications, so if the heart disease is the a chronic type or from the long duration it is happen, so that in that the the uh, final treatment would be your surgical. Okay, surgery is the last option. Okay, so initially we need to take the certain kinds of medications are there, we need to follow that, we need to change our lifestyle so that we can maintain the health of the heart in a proper way. Okay, so using medication initially we can control it or treat it. Okay, so that is the primary treatment. So if these don't have any desired effect, if their medicine have no such effect on the heart health. Okay, so if your medications cannot remove the or uh, that is your cannot change the dysfunction to the proper function, then only you can go for surgery. So that is the last option. Okay, so surgical options are available to help correct issue. By means of surgery we can do the whatever dysfunction is there, we can rectify it. So medications involve a very wide range of medications is available. There are so many medicines are available in the market. Okay, which maybe that is your allopathy, that is your homeopathy, and also in the Ayush, Unani, Ayurvedic also there are certain medicines are there which can able to function the or regain the function of the heart. Okay, so available for the majority of the heart conditions. Many are prescribed to prevent blood clots. So in that main thing or main cause of the your heart disease or heart failure is the your blood clot. If the in the heart there is a blood clot, then it will lead to a severe problem. Okay, but some severe other purposes, such as example, your the main medications which are used in the heart disease, that is your statin. Okay, statin is a compound which can lower your cholesterol level. Blood cholesterol can be lowered by the statin application of statin. Okay, certain blood thinners are there. Okay, if the your blood become more viscous, then it will be also a problem grade major problem for the heart. Okay, such as blood thinner means in this your blood will be dilated. There is a dilation will be there. Okay, for example, blood will be thinned from the viscous fluid. If the viscous means there is the no free flow of the blood. If the blood thinner we will apply, then we can able to flow the blood properly. If there is won't be able to flow the blood in the arteries or vein, that will lead to your heart disease. Okay, so you need to minimize that by that blood thinner such as your warfarin. Okay, that prevent blood clots. Okay, so another one that is your beta blockers. So when beta blockers are used for treating heart attack, okay, it's mild heart, it may be your mild heart attack or strong heart attack. In that case, we need to check this. Okay, by means of your application of your beta blockers. Certain medicines are there, medications are there, certain injections are there which can treat for the heart attack, heart failure, high blood pressure. In that case we need to go for the beta blockers. So but these are the primary treatment. Okay, so another one that is your angiotensin converting engine, ACE. Just remember it, angiotensin converting engine. So this is an inhibitor for the heart failure and blood pressure. So it inhibits the blood increase in the blood pressure. So there is a vast increase in the blood pressure is there. We need to go for the ACE, that is your angiotensin converting engine. Okay, so it can be a boon for the in case of your heart failure and high blood pressure. So high blood pressure leads to your heart failure also. So if we check the blood pressure, increase in the blood pressure, so that we can take the situation in our hand. Okay, it can be controlled by us. Okay, primary treatment are these like your statin, blood thinners, that warfarin, then beta blockers are there, then ACE treatment, that is your angiotensin converting enzymes. So what your doctor will do, work with your doctor will work with you to find a medication that is safe and effective. So there are certain side effects of these medications are there. So we need to your medico or doctors needs to uh, be proper diagnose you, and after that he or she will treat you with a proper medication, because these are the, in that case the hearts are most sensitive one, so that the whatever medications are there, there must be, so doctor needs to be minimize the what, the side effect of that medicine, okay, so that your heart will regain its vitality and regains its proper function. So they will use medication to treat underlying conditions, okay, that can affect the heart, such as that is your diabetes, before they become problematic. So you need to check our blood sugar level, okay, you need to take the proper immediate actions in order to control the blood glucose level. Okay. Next one is your after medication, if won't work, then you will go for surgery. So heart surgery is is an option for people with heart disease, but it can be debilitating. So heart surgery, it's a very complicated, since it's a complicated process. Surgery is the, so there might be a chance of failure. Okay, there might be a chance of error by your medico, since they are using by means of your hand or hand tools. They are uh, they are maintaining the surgery. Okay, so heart surgery is an intensive option. It's an intensive option from which we can, so it can take a long time to recover. Okay. So, however, they can be effective in treated in the case of blockage, okay, or heart problem. They will use the surgery. Okay, they will go for surgery. So, if the medication won't effective, then they will go for your surgery. Okay, the main, this is most important. The most common surgeries include, first one is your angioplasty. Okay, what is that angioplasty? Just remember. Okay, so angioplasty, in which a balloon catheter is inserted. Okay, balloon catheter is inserted to widen narrowed blood vessels. So there is a catheter is there. Okay, that can widen your blood vessels, so that free flow of blood will be there. Okay, uh, so narrowed the widen the narrowed blood vessels that might be restricting blood flow to the heart. Okay. If there is a restriction or inhibitions is there in the passage of blood flow, then we can go for angioplasty. Next one is your bypass surgery, that includes your coronary artery bypass. Okay, which allows, so these coronary artery bypass surgery allows, generally this is called as bypass surgery, bypass heart surgery, which allows blood flow to reach a blocked part. Okay, so we need to go to the blocked part and of the heart in people with blocked arteries. Okay, so we need to clear the blocked artery by means of your that surgery, that is your coronary artery bypass surgery. And another surgery to repair the replace faulty heart valve. So in certain case the valves are changed, that is your tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve. Okay, any other valve if dysfunction. So valve is the main function, vital reason that won't allow the blood to backflow of the blood. Okay, so one is your having your pacemaker, another one is your pacemaker, installment of the pacemaker, what are they, or electronic machines. Okay, these are the artificial heart which can regulate the heartbeat for your people with arrhythmia. Okay, so arrhythmia is the improper beating of heart. So if the heart is not beating in a proper way, then it will be due to your arrhythmia. Okay, in that case, you need to go for your pacemaker or electric machine. Okay, heart transplants are also there, are another option. This is the last option. So, however, it can be often difficult to find a suitable heart to right size. Okay, so there is a specific donor will be there, and that should be matched with the specific recipient. Okay.